Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carly Stevens. I'm the author of the young adult fantasy novel Firian Rising, and this is English Nerd. So, I just got back from school. I am kind of exhausted from all the writing and grading and teaching and everything that I've been doing, so if my eyes look a little wonky, that's why. But I wanted to do a video for you guys because my Owlcrate just arrived. You might have noticed that I did not have an Owlcrate unboxing video for the last few months. That's because I unsubscribed temporarily. It's not an expense that I really want to make every month, but this month I loved the theme and it was actually a Christmas present from my sister. So let's open her up. This is the Owlcrate for May 2019. Alright, so this is when you see me struggle. Why did I not grab, you know what I don't ever get? I don't get scissors for these things. I'm just going to pretend like this little letter opener actually is as sharp as it looks, and oh, that worked surprisingly well actually. Maybe that's what this is for rather than letters, because it really doesn't work well with letters. Okay. Ooh, alright. Okay, so I don't know what this is exactly, but let's see. Ooh. Okay, let's dive in, shall we? Getting this fluffy stuff everywhere. Hang on. Let's ignore the fluffy stuff. Oh, cute! It's an adventure passport wallet. I'm going on an adventure. Oh, that's adorable. Oh my gosh. Let's see if the inside is anything. Well, that's pretty cool. There's space for your passport. There's a little, it's like a little money belt without the belt part. Oh, that's cute. I like it. Let's see what the card has to say about this part. There is, don't leave home without your handy passport wallet, featuring a quote from The Hobbit, designed by Kit Kronk's studio. Now you'll be prepared for any adventure that comes your way. That's super cute. I like that. Okay, next, I don't know what this is. Let's see. It says, there was once a young man who wished to gain his heart's desire. Neil Gaiman. I told you I'm only partially there. I've been having some long days. Seeking fallen stars beyond the wall? Don't forget to take your exclusive Stardust-inspired water bottle with you on your journey. Designed with love by KDP Letters. Okay, so it's not good with hot liquids, which is good to take note of for me because I am a coffee tea person. But it's dishwasher safe. Water bottle. Let's see what this looks like. We thought our stories were incomplete. Oh, that's cute. Can you see that okay? That is really neat. I like that a lot. Let's see what this has to say about that. Oh, same exact thing, just on the little card instead. Ooh, oh. Oh, that's cool. It's a sleep mask. It's really soft and silky, and it says, "To the stars who listen and the dreams that are answered." So that one I recognize. That one is from the Court of Mist and Fury. Let's see what the... Yeah, isn't that cute? I don't really use sleep masks, but I'll figure out something for that. Wear your gorgeous sleep mask to bed and dream of adventures with the inner circle and the mysterious night court. Designed by Bookworm Boutique and inspired by a Court of Mist and Fury. Okay, next we have some kind of fabric thing. I like fabric things. Let's see what we have here. Okay, I see pirateness. I see, I don't know, hot air balloons and lighthouses or something. Oh, okay, let's see. I'd rather die on an adventure than live standing still. Oh, cool! Look, it's a pillowcase. I have to back up so you can see it. Look how cute that is. I really like that. There's a whale down there. I like the whale. piratey things everywhere. Oh, that's fun. That's great. I will use that and not be ashamed. Big fan. Ooh, I like that. Let's see what this says. There's no one who There's no one who loves adventure more than Lila Bard. Stella Bookish Art designed this colorful and fun pillowcase inspired by this beloved character from A Darker Shade of Magic, which is still on my TBR. I've not actually read A Darker Shade of Magic, but I've heard that it's interesting, so might give that a shot. Okay, then we have an enamel pin, which they started doing regularly, I think, after I unsubscribed at the end of last year. So, let's see. It says, "We hunt the flame, the light, and the darkness." It's really pretty, actually. Look at that. I don't really know what to do with pins. I don't really collect them myself, but I do have, as you can see, all kinds of stuff on my bookcases. So, I'll definitely find a spot, especially if I like the book. Let's see, the enamel pin is truly special this month as it was designed by the author of We Hunt the Flame. That would have been fun to do as the author. Through her design company Icy Designs, Hafsa has created a pin truly representative of her debut novel. The pin pays tribute to both the main characters, Zafira and Nasir, as well as the stunning atmosphere of the story. Okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's Howl's Moving Castle. It's a little sticker. It's all kind of anime-ish looking. Not like the I always forget that director's name. The one who directed the Howl's Moving Castle. Y'all are gonna know exactly who I'm talking about. But it's not like that style exactly. It's like somebody else. But there's Calcifer, there's Howl, and Sophie. Let's see what this says. Part of the reason that I got this box is that I recognized more of the books. So, to break the evil witch's curse, Sophie must seek the help of the wizard Howl and his moving castle. Designed by Naomi Lord, we think this vinyl sticker, inspired by Howl's Moving Castle, evokes timeless adventure, whether you've read the book by Diana Wynne Jones or admired the Studio Ghibli movie. The Studio Ghibli movie. That's the one I'm talking about. Yeah, the movie was a little weird for me, but I really like the book. It's super cute. I have it right here. I have it somewhere. I think I moved it from there to there, so I'm not going to spend a bunch of time looking for it, but if you haven't read Howl's Moving Castle, it is really cute. Okay, and then we have the book. Big and chunky. Look how thick that book is. Nice. So, We Hunt the Flame. I knew it was going to be this one. I did a little bit of research. I love surprises, but I also wanted to make sure that it was a book that I was actually interested in before I took the plunge. So, yeah, that is lovely. I like that cover a lot. Ooh, comes with some art here. Oh, okay, here are the main characters. So this is Zafira and this is Nasir. So look at them. They look pretty exciting. Nice. And as always, we get a letter from the author herself. Hafsa, I would assume, is a she. Dear Owlcrate reader, in your hands is a book. A stack of pages bound between two covers, a sweeping fantasy infused with the spirit of ancient Arabia. But at its heart, We Hunt the Flame is a dream, a wish, and a horcrux of sorts. You know, I can relate to that. Each page is wrought with pieces of myself, from the culture of the world to the plights of the characters. More than these shards, I wanted to portray the world of Arabia as it is for the thousands of people who live there. Home. Kawa, Quhwa, warm from Adala. I'm trying here, pronunciation-wise. Sand dunes stretching for as far as the eye can see. The language, rich and rolling from the throat. Turbans tasseled and bound. Abazas, glittering and lovely. Yet Arawiya, like any other place, is rife with danger. Its once unified caliphates lay dismantled, the threat of war looming in the horizon, and a dark forest sweeps closer with each dire day. From the shadows of this forest steps a girl, steadfast in her desires for a better life for her people. From the rooftops of the city comes a boy, bound to a blade he wields without mercy. It is on a villainous island that their paths will cross, and the fate of Arawiya. Maybe that's a J? Arawi. Look at that. What do you think? J? C? It's Arawiya, I think. Will change forever with you to witness. Peace unto you, Hafsa. Oh, that sounds really interesting. I'm excited. Has some pretty pages, so you can see there. Sounds a little Aladdin-y, which might have been, ooh, a pretty map. Hold up. Look how beautiful that is in the front. Ooh. I was going to say, maybe that's why they chose this debut novel as opposed to a different one, because it does have some of these hints of Aladdin, which is coming out very soon as I record this video, which is already getting fairly long, so let's look at the end here. So it comes with a little booklet, as it always does, of some information. So you get an interview with the author. You can see how the book that you get in your Owlcrate is different from the one on the shelves, because it's always a little bit different if you're not already getting Owlcrate subscriptions. We have an interview with the person who did the Howl's Moving Castle art there. Let's see, the May photo challenge, I just have to show you because it's the Fellowship and I love them so much. They are largely the reason why I decided that this Epic Adventures box was for me, because I am such a Tolkien fan. Okay, the theme of the June box is, that's a drum roll, Libraries of Wonder. Flip for a sneak peek. Okay, every June box will include exclusive coffee. All right. So it's a surprise blend of coffee. That's kind of cool. I'll consider it. I'll see what I think about the next box. Well, that was a rousing success, I have to say. That was a lot of things that I really am gonna love. So thank you for watching with me. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do, for lots of good English nerdy stuff, and I will see you on Monday. Bye!